What's up guys, it's Travis. Welcome back to my channel. So to start this video, I just want to let you guys know that I'm not a financial advisor, but I do want to talk about something that a lot of people in the finance world are talking about right now. And that's a term called FIRE, or Financial Independence Retire Early. You become financially independent once your assets or your investments create enough income for you to no longer work. So let's use an example. Let's say you have $1 million and you decide to put that money into an investment that pays you out 6% a year. That means that you're making $60,000 a year in passive income. So $60,000 divided by 12 is gonna give you $5,000 a month. And for me personally, $5,000 a month is plenty enough money for me to live the lifestyle that I want to live. So I would fall into this FIRE category because my assets or my investments are paying me enough money to cover my expenses. So this is a part of the video where there's a lot of people that may realize that they don't actually want to retire early because being financially independent and retiring early comes with a cost. And I'm going to explain that for you guys in just a second. So there's basically two main steps that we need to take in order to become financially independent and retire early. Step number one, cut your expenses. This is not as easy as it sounds, but if you can achieve this, this will really help you guys in the long run. The goal here is to save as much money as possible. And this means cutting back on going out every week, or eliminating that expensive hobby, or not buying those things that we don't actually need. There's something that comes to mind in each one of us that we think about when it comes to cutting our expenses. And this is gonna take a lot of discipline and budgeting. The more you guys put away now, the faster you guys are gonna be able to retire. So the second step to retiring early is to increase your income coming in every single month. And this can mean getting a better paying job or building a passive income stream on the side of working that 9 to 5. It could mean matching your 401k or just long-term investing in the stock market or real estate. Whatever you guys feel comfortable doing in order to build that income is really the main goal. And the faster you guys are gonna be able to achieve that goal. So obviously, these steps take a lot of discipline and they take time. This isn't for everybody. I understand that there's plenty of people out there that love to live in the now, and that's totally okay. But I'm talking to those people that have this goal and are driven to retire early and be able to do what they want to do later on in life. There is no one size fits all when it comes to this strategy. It's really just up to you guys and what you guys feel comfortable doing and how much you guys are willing to sacrifice now in order to reap the rewards later. But like I said, these two steps are really the backbone of what it means or what it takes in order to be financially independent and retire early. So that's it for this video. I really hope it's earned you guys' thumbs up. Please make sure to leave comments if you guys have any questions. I love to hear from you guys and answer those questions. And I hope to be seeing you guys in the next video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.